Have you ever come across a client that need your PayPal ID? Since they know that some countries do not transact with PayPal, they persist asking for your PayPal ID. I must pay to you via PayPal. If it is not PayPal, I won't pay to you. I have clients that have said this. I have many people that I lost. Unhappily, Nigeria is one of those countries. Nigeria is restricted to receive payment from other countries via PayPal, but they can use PayPal in Nigeria to transfer money to other countries, to other companies. So in this video today, I'm going to teach you how you can create a PayPal account here in Nigeria, and you can be able to use that PayPal account to receive money from any country in the world. So you can receive money and you can also send money via your PayPal without traveling abroad or without using VPN, without telling your relatives, your friends in abroad to create a US account for you in order to do it. You will use your Nigerian ID and you use your Nigerian phone number. You don't need to hide anything, and you not use any VPN to change your location. You can do it right here using your own computer. So let me start showing my computer screen now to show you how you can create a PayPal ID that can be used to receive money from any country in the world while you are in Nigeria. So PayPal Holdings is an American multinational financial technology company operating an online payment system in the majority of countries that support online money transfers. So it serves as an electronic alternative to traditional paper methods such as checks and money orders. So from this definition of PayPal, you can note that the country that supports online money transfer, that means our own country, Nigeria here, does not support online money transfer. So to create a PayPal account, just type PayPal in your web browser, and this is the result that will come up. PayPal must come up first, and this is the PayPal address. After you have clicked that, it will take you to this PayPal website, paypal.com/ng/home. Immediately you have clicked PayPal, and you will be taken to this website, paypal.com. This is the Nigerian web-based. PayPal created a page for Nigerian, so you can see they mean Nigerian a lot. So they created this web page for Nigerian. So they will use your IP address, your computer IP address. Then they will automatically redirect you to this web page. So you will be automatically recognized as Nigerians because of your IP address. That's why some people are using VPN, and at the end of the day they will catch them. So since Nigerians PayPal accounts cannot be used to transfer money, what they will let you to do is send money only, and this is personal account. So you send payments to abroad, you pay online, you pay for deals, you pay for Amazon, anything you pay for it, but you cannot receive money. So this is the personal account. So to create it, you click sign up for free. Here is for free. So the simpler, safer way to pay online. So this is what PayPal is doing to Nigerians. So for us to navigate this, I'm going to go to this website. So open your web browser and go and enter this website address, paypal.com/UK, the UK based PayPal homepage. So you can see personal, business, enterprise, and developer. What you are simply going to do is you click sign up here. So the IP address will not change. The IP address will be the same throughout, and a secure way to pay and get paid. So you can pay and you can also get paid. You are in Nigeria here, you did not change your IP address like I'm doing. I don't change my IP address. So this is the personal account, and this is the business account. I'm going to create a business account, and this business account will let you to sell online. You can sell on the go, you can sell on Amazon and receive payment via PayPal. So your clients that are telling you that give me your PayPal ID, I'm interested now, I want to pay, even if they are not interested to pay, since they know that you're from Nigeria, what they'll say is, I want to pay, give me your PayPal ID. They think that most of the Nigerians do not get PayPal ID. That's why they are requesting them to give them their PayPal ID. So after I have created this business account here, you click it and you say get started. So this is it, sign up for a business account. Enter the email address you will use to sign up or logging in. So this is it, email address, you enter it here. The email address and you click continue. The email address has already been used for a PayPal account. So let me go and use another email address here. So continue. So sign up for a business account, and this is it, abdulrazak@fastmore.com. This is my email address for my website, and this is the password. I'm entering my password here. So this is the password, enter between, and this is it. After I have done that, you click continue. So they say that tell them about your information, business contacts, your name. This is the first name. I'm not going to hide everything here. And this is the last name, the higher business name. Fastmore as the business name. So for here, we are going to select Nigeria telephone number. I get telephone number here, and I'll enter my telephone number here. And this is the address. Telephone number, the first 0 should be removed. And this is the telephone number, and this is the address, country code. So let me go and select. I'll go and select Central here. You can simply quickly go here and search for Central UK postcode. So let me go and copy that one, paste it. And this is it. What I'll do, I'll say I have read, consent, and agree to PayPal user agreement. So make sure that you fill all this and you click agree and create an account. So this is the business type. I'll say such a not-for-profit organization. I'll say private company. This is the private company. Products or services. Web design. Website is optional. You can enter your website here or not. And this is the country, Abdulrazak, and this is it. I'll continue. So tell us more about you, and this is the date of birth. You enter your date of birth, month, let's say month is October, and year, let's say 1980. Make sure that this date of birth corresponds with the date of birth on your photographed government issued ID card. Nationality, I'm going to choose, this is Nigeria here, choose Nigeria as a nationality, and where they live most of the year, so same as business, and same phone number here. I'll go and select Nigeria, and I'll enter my phone number here. This is it. So I'll click submit. So if you want to add an executive to your company and add this information exactly as it appears on the government issued ID, so you are going to upload your government issued ID, the nationality, choose Nigeria here, and see this is in Nigeria, and you enter your date of birth, you enter your last name, so date of birth 15th 10/1985. Yes. So I'm going to click submit. Our PayPal account was being created. Business PayPal account was being created. So you can see money that are here is PayPal balance 0.06 pounds. So this is it. Pounds money in, we have not received any money yet. So set up PayPal checkout, choose a way to integrate, so you can send money, receive money, request for money, send invoice. So people that are asking you to send invoice to them, so go to this invoice in here, click on invoicing, and you haven't created any invoice yet, so you create an invoice by clicking on create an invoice. So this is the customer name or email address. You enter their email address. Let us see, and the email address is this. So create new customers here, and this is the name. Let's say I'm Razak, because I have other PayPal account that is named with this email. You can see it is accepted. So what are they paying for? I say item name, let's say web design. So this is the quantity 1, price units, and this is the currency, US dollar. They want them to pay to you via US dollar, and this is the amount, $160. Let's say $160, and if you increase this amount to 2, it will times that 160 times 2, which is equals to $320 US. So this person has received web design services from me. So this is the description. So I'm going to click add. Issue number is 001. If you do another invoice again, it will be 0002, 003, and this is the issue number. Bill to razak5@gmail.com from razak@fastoma.com, and this is my telephone number. This is the items, 2 website design for each one of them is $160, and this person has received and is $320 US. In the email address of that person will receive a mail from you that you have issued them an invoice. Then they will pay to you. If they have paid to you, then you will receive it in your PayPal account. So I'm going to click send. So to save or send, please confirm your email address. So this account, I have just created it. I haven't confirmed it yet. So if I go and visit this website, this is my email address, abrazak@fastmoney.com. I can be able to verify it. Okay, here is my email address. I just log into my email inbox, and this is the email address from the PayPal. So they have sent me this confirmation email to confirm my email address before I can get access to my account, and this is it. It comes from PayPal, Abrazak from abrazak@fastmoney.com, and this is my domain email address, and here is their email content. So what I'm going to do is I'll click confirm your email address. So this is it. I'll click login, and here is their confirmation. They have to confirm in, and you can see that telephone number you are seeing is a Nigerian phone number. So I'm going to click next, and they have sent a text message to my phone number. This is the text message that I got from them, and I'll click confirm, continue. And identity confirmed. They have confirmed my identity, and they are redirecting me to my dashboard. So they said your email address has been confirmed. So what I'll do next is I'll click continue, and you can see my PayPal account was being approved and confirmed. This is it. And in your PayPal dashboard, you can fund your accounts. So what I'll do is I'll click add money, and this is it. You can add your bank manually, and here you can request to get paid. So I'll click pay and get paid, and this is the wallets, money, bank account and cards. Invoicing, you can send invoice to people, make payments. You want to send money, and if you want to request people money, but like your friends or family member to give you money via PayPal, you request it from here. You can sell your products or services on social media. You can receive donation, paypal.me, sell on social. So all these things, you can even add your PayPal account on your website so that people can pay to you via PayPal while you are in Nigeria. So that is how you can create a PayPal account here in Nigeria with your Nigerian details. So if you know that this video has helped you know how you can create a PayPal account while you are in Nigeria, so that you can use that account to receive money from other country here in Nigeria, then subscribe to this channel and comment with any question you have to ask via the comment section.